Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can allow Instagram app to access photos on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. So, first of all, let's open up the Instagram app with you. And here we see at the bottom, we have this plus sign. If we click on that, we see that we don't have Instagram access to our photos, so we can't put the photo, for example, in a post or in a story. So what do we have to do? Well, to do that, we need to click on this blue line here, which will take us to the phone settings. Then we find the line photos. And as we can see, we have disabled photo access to Instagram. So how do we turn it back on? We just need to toggle some kind of mode. We have a mode that only allows access to certain photos. Favorites, which means you can choose a list of photos that you can put on Instagram. Or we can allow access to all photos. Personally, I advise you to always choose the third option, as it will be easier for you to put up posts and stories then. And that's it. If we go back to Instagram, and we click on the plus sign at the bottom, you can see that we can select a photo to put it in a post or in a story, for example. But there's another method to do that. We will need to go straight into the phone settings. Next, you and I will leaf through and find the Privacy and Confidentiality section. We click on it. Next, we're going to click on the Photos section. And here we see the app that we can allow access to photos. This is where we find Instagram. And if you don't have access to photos, if you have none, then you just switch to whatever photo access mode you want. And after that, also you are free to put photos and stories on your Instagram. This is the easy way you can allow Instagram app to access photos on your iPhone phone. Hope this video was useful for you. Put your likes, comments, and see you soon.